Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Mandadi Shabali, Rihanna School Online Academy admission manager, and we are working our teachers training boot camp level 1 and level 2, and now I'm level 2, day 34, 37, and today my task again talk with AI tools, and now I'm using Sesame AI for today's my task. So connecting with him, connecting with her. I hope you know about that. All right, we are ready to almost start. Continue. Why slugging? Wait a minute. Why I don't know why is log out. All right. All right. Connecting with Maya. Today's session is start now. Hey
Hey
Maya,
there.
how are you? Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you perfectly. What's on your mind?
All right, Maya. So today, my topic is AI in daily life, from Google to ChatGPT. It's very simple, but it's too important. So can I start a today's session?
Absolutely. Let's dive into AI in daily life. What I caught you saying, ChatGPT. Did you mean ChatGPT? Whether it's Google's tools or ChatGPT, AI is pretty interwoven with our routines now. Where do you want to start with this?
All right. Well, my first question is that what is artificial intelligence in simple words?
Hmm. In the simplest terms, artificial intelligence is basically getting computers to do things that normally require human intelligence, like learning, problem solving, and decision making. Instead of just following step by step instructions we program in, AI systems can actually analyze data, learn from it, and improve over time. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay,
Continue,
good.
please.
So, So AI isn't one single thing. There are actually different types. The main split is between narrow or weak AI, which is designed for very specific tasks like recommending videos on YouTube, and general or strong AI, which can handle any intellectual tasks that a human can. Right now, almost all the AI we use day to day is narrow AI, good at one thing, not much else. Think of your spam filter versus, a human. Sorry, I didn't quite catch that last part. Could you repeat it?
All right. My next question is that how does Google search use AI to show accurate result?
Okay, Google search uses AI in a lot of ways. The main one is something called RankBrain. It's an AI system that helps understand the actual meaning behind search queries, not just the keywords. So if you search what's the capital of France, it knows what's and capital are important and finds you Paris instead of just pages with those words on them. It's been used for years and has gotten pretty good at understanding context and intent. They also use AI to fight spam, suggest related searches, and even understand voice searches when you use Google Assistant.
All right, Maya, thank you so much for this amazing answer. My other question is that how does what role does AI play in Google Map and navigation?
Mm, Google Maps uses AI in a bunch of ways. Traffic prediction is one big one. AI analyzes real time traffic data, historical patterns, and even construction reports to estimate travel times. It also uses AI to identify businesses, landmarks, and streets from Street View images. Then there's routing. It's not just finding the shortest distance, but factoring in traffic, road closures, and even your preferred routes. Basically, AI makes it possible for Google Maps to react to changing conditions and give you the best possible directions.
Thank you. How does Gmail use AI for spam filtering and smart replies?
Gmail's spam filtering is almost entirely AI driven at this point. It learns to identify spam based on patterns, things like suspicious links, weird formatting, repeated phrases, or if lots of people mark something as spam. Smart replies are powered by AI too. It analyzes your emails and suggests short, relevant responses you can use with a single tap, basically taking the think time out of simple replies like sounds good or thanks. It's pretty handy for quick back and forths.
All right. Wait a minute.
Sure, take your
Question
time.
is that how does Gmail use AI for what is ChatGPT and how does it work?
I think you're asking about how Gmail uses AI for chat security. Are you referring to Google Chat or a different chat feature? Either way, AI plays a role in detecting phishing attempts and potential threats. It scans messages for suspicious links or harmful attachments, alerting users if something looks off. For chat specifically, Google is using AI to summarize chat threads and flag important info, but the security aspect would be in the background analysis of links and files shared there too. Does that align with what you're asking about?
Yes. Okay, my next question is
Great.
that what is how is ChatGPT different from Google search?
I'm not sure I understand what you mean by what is strategy different from Google search. Could you clarify that? Sorry,
Yes.
are you asking about how Google search uses AI for strategy or are you asking about something else entirely? Okay,
Yes.
still not quite following. I'm still a bit confused about the question. Maybe if you rephrase it or give me more
Okay.
context.
All right.
How is
My
strategy
I'm
different
changing
from
my
Google
question.
search?
Now I'm changing my question. Can I think like human? Why or why not?
That's a big question. Currently, no, AI can't think like humans. AI can process information and perform tasks incredibly well, sometimes even better than humans. But it's all based on the data it's been trained on. It doesn't have consciousness, self awareness, or real understanding. Humans think in nuanced ways, drawing on emotions, creativity, lived experiences. AI simulates intelligence, but it's not the same as actually being intelligent in the human sense. Would you like me to break down the key differences a bit more?
All right. How does AI understand voice command like "Hey Google"?
That's actually a pretty complex process. First, it converts your voice to text using something called speech recognition. Then it tries to figure out what you mean. That's where natural language processing comes in. It breaks down the sentence, figures out the keywords, and understands your intent. So when you say, "Hey Google, what's the weather?" it recognizes, "Hey Google, to wake up," then figures out you're asking about the weather. There's AI doing speech recognition, natural language understanding, and then another AI system that actually fetches the weather info. Pretty neat, huh?
Hello, are you there?
Yep, I'm here. Yep, I'm here. Just catching up. Everything okay?
Yeah. What are some same example of AI in social media platform?
AI shows up all over social media. Facebook and Instagram use it to personalize your feed, deciding which posts to show you first based on what you've liked before. TikTok uses AI to figure out what videos you'd like watching, creating that addictive For You page. They also use AI to filter out hate speech and harmful content, though it's not perfect. Even things like automatically suggesting friends or captioning photos are powered by AI behind the scenes. It's constantly running in the background of most social media platforms.
All right. My other question is that mm, what can I do this time?
Yes,
How
go.
is AI used in a smartphone and mobile app?
Smartphones and apps are packed with AI these days. Your camera uses AI for scene detection and image stabilization, making your photos look better automatically. Face Unlock uses AI to recognize your face, and voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant are obviously AI powered. Then there's predictive text, app recommendations, battery optimization, even things like detecting spam calls. Mobile apps also use AI, banking apps for fraud detection, fitness apps for activity tracking, music apps for recommendations. It's really hard to think of any modern smartphone features that don't have some form of AI in them these days. Do you want me to give some specific app examples?
All right. My other question is that Maya, how will AI change our life in the next 5 to 10 years? Can you please explain it?
AI will change our lives pretty personalized experiences in everything from healthcare to shopping. AI will power more automation, taking over repetitive tasks in workplaces and homes. Self-driving cars will become more common, though probably not everywhere yet. AI could help solve bigger global problems like climate change and disease, analyzing data to find solutions. The biggest change might be AI assistants getting way smarter. They could manage our schedules, write emails, maybe even offer personalized advice. It's not all roses, though. We'll need to address ethical questions about job displacement and how to prevent bias in AI. But overall, it's going to be a very different world with AI as an increasingly normal part of daily life.
All right. My other question is that how is AI